Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Hawaiian shirts is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of clothing a man can own, perfect for embracing a relaxed vibe whether you're on vacation, at a casual gathering, or simply want to add a touch of tropical flair to your everyday look. These shirts are designed to evoke a sense of freedom and fun, making them an essential addition to any summer wardrobe, offering a unique blend of comfort and eye-catching design that stands out from the ordinary. Number 5. KYKU Men's Hawaiian Shirt. Step into paradise with our KYKU Hawaiian shirt. Designed for ultimate comfort and style, it's perfect for your next getaway. Featuring a striking Palm Beach print, this shirt brings the spirit of the tropics wherever you go. Stand out with its unique and eye-catching design. Planning a vacation? This is your essential tropical wear. Its lightweight fabric ensures you stay cool and relaxed under the sun. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and fashion. This shirt is crafted to keep you looking good and feeling great, from beach days to evening strolls. Make it your go-to choice for summer adventures. Its breathable material and fun pattern make it ideal for any warm weather occasion. Trust in KYKU for quality apparel that lasts. Enjoy durable construction and a design that captures the essence of island living. What we like. This shirt boasts incredibly vibrant and unique prints that will make you stand out. Its comfortable fabric ensures you feel great all day long. If you're looking for a shirt that screams personality and fun for your next vacation or casual outing, this is the one. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, perfect for hot weather. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that don't fade. The fit is true to size and very comfortable to wear. Number 4. COOFANDY Men's Linen Guayabera Shirt. Introducing the COOFANDY Guayabera Shirt, your perfect companion for warm weather. Its breathable linen fabric keeps you cool and comfortable. Experience the classic Cuban style with its signature button-down front and short sleeves. This shirt offers a relaxed yet refined look. Crafted from high-quality linen, this shirt feels incredibly soft against your skin. Enjoy the natural breathability and lightweight feel all day long. Perfect for beach outings, casual gatherings, or simply enjoying a summer day. Pair it with shorts or trousers for a complete look. Stay cool even on the hottest days. The open weave of the linen allows for maximum airflow, ensuring you remain comfortable. This shirt is designed for ease and style. Its simple elegance makes it a go-to choice for your summer wardrobe. What we like. Experience the breathable comfort of linen in a classic Cuban Guayabera style. This shirt is incredibly versatile, perfect for beach days or a casual dinner. If you appreciate timeless style and need a cool, comfortable option for warm weather, consider this. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for hot weather. The print is vibrant and detailed, looks even better in person. The fit is true to size and very comfortable. Number 3. Men's Hawaiian Casual Printed Bowling Shirt. Step out in classic style with this short sleeve button-down. Perfect for a relaxed yet put-together look. Embrace the summer vibes with our eye-catching prints. It's the ideal way to add a pop of personality to your outfit. Designed for comfort, this shirt features a regular fit that allows for easy movement. You'll feel great all day long. Whether you're heading to the beach or a casual gathering, this shirt is your go-to. It brings the spirit of aloha wherever you go. This piece is incredibly versatile, easily transitioning from a casual day out to a relaxed evening. It's a must-have for your summer wardrobe. The convenient button-down front makes it easy to wear and adjust. It offers both style and practicality for everyday wear. What we like. Embrace a fun retro vibe with eye-catching printed patterns. It offers a relaxed fit for maximum comfort. If you love a vintage aesthetic and want a casual shirt that's perfect for summer parties or a day at the beach, this is a great choice. What people say. Great print on the front and the back. The light material made for a pleasant experience. The Big Turkey was wearing a Big Turkey Hawaiian shirt. It is well made, and the fit was perfect. Great colors, so bright and fits well, and husband, 6 feet 4 inches and 260 pounds, always gets compliments wearing it and says wife found it on Amazon. Number 2. Men's retro short sleeve button-down bowling shirt. Step back in time with our classic retro bowling shirt. Experience timeless style combined with ultimate comfort for any occasion. Featuring eye-catching prints, this shirt is perfect for your next beach getaway. Its casual design ensures you look and feel great under the sun. Enjoy the ease of a short sleeve, button-down design. It's a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down effortlessly. Embrace the laid-back Hawaiian vibe with this uniquely printed shirt. It brings a touch of tropical paradise wherever you go. This is the ultimate casual shirt for the modern man. Its relaxed fit and stylish print make it a go-to for everyday wear. From casual outings to beach parties, this shirt is your perfect companion. Its distinctive look is sure to turn heads. What we like. This option delivers an authentic retro feel with bold, casual prints. It's designed for ultimate casual wear. If you're aiming for a distinct vintage look and want a comfortable shirt for everyday summer activities, you should definitely check this out. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for hot weather. The print quality is excellent, with vibrant colors that don't fade after washing. The fit is true to size and very comfortable to wear. Number 1. Pacific Legend USA Fighter Planes Men's Cotton Shirt. Discover the Pacific Legend USA Fighter Planes Men's Cotton Shirt. A perfect blend of style and comfort for the modern man. Crafted from 100% premium cotton, this shirt offers exceptional softness and breathability. You'll feel great all day long. Make a statement with its striking USA Fighter plane graphic. It's a design that speaks to adventure and freedom. This shirt is incredibly versatile. Dress it up or down for any occasion, from casual outings to more relaxed events. Built to last, this garment maintains its shape and color wash after wash. Enjoy its quality for years to come. Looking for a gift? This unique shirt is an ideal present for the man who appreciates style and a touch of boldness. What we like. Stand out with its unique fighter plane graphic and authentic American theme. Made from 100% cotton, it offers great comfort and breathability. If you're a fan of aviation or looking for a conversation-starting piece with a patriotic flair, this shirt is ideal for you. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for hot weather. The print is vibrant and detailed, with a classic Hawaiian design. The fit is true to size and comfortable for all-day wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.